Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you another tutorial about Visual Studio Code, specifically how to add an image inside of your HTML code or whatever code you have. So, today we'll first start with how to install Visual Studio Code. So how to do that, go to Visual Studio Code and go to the URL section and search for Visual Studio Code. After that guys, please make sure to not make any mistake or confusion between these two programs. This one is Visual Studio and this one is Visual Studio Code. This one that we are going to use today, and please don't install this as this one and this one as this one, because they are completely different. So let's go back here to the website and let's download the Blue Logo browser software. So if you don't know how to choose or to how to determine which one is and which other is, you can just see the logo and you will notice in our tutorial we are going to use the Blue Logo. So here you can click here to download for Windows and here for Mac OS or Linux. After that, all you need to do is install it in your PC and you will be good to go. Now let's go here and let's create, for example, an HTML code. So here we go, new text file or new file, and here I'm going to name it .html. And basically, before you do that, sorry guys, so let me just close this. Let's open first a folder. So let's choose this as our folder, select folder, and basically you will find here many codes of yours. So let me just delete this one real quick. So delete, and I will create now an HTML code. So for example, tutorial .html. Here it is. Now, how we can actually add an image? All we need to do is go to your basically the folder, and then here create a new folder, and let's name it images. And here we can insert our image. So whatever image you have, you can just insert it. For example, let me just download this. Control C, Control V over here, and all we need to do now is go back to Visual Studio Code, and you will notice that the image is actually in here. So here it is, the image. Now how we can actually use it in our code? So after you insert your code in, you'll be everything ready to use. So you start doing your body and etc. All you need to do is, for it's pretty much simple, is insert this code that I will show you here. Just make sure to change this to whatever you have in here. So for example, here we have way rf.gpg. So make sure to name it here and it will be good and ready for you guys. So hey guys, that was it to today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.